First, open Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. To build a production-ready AI app, start by defining exactly what your application needs to do. Before writing code, plan the user experience, AI workflow, required model capabilities, data sources, security requirements, and expected usage. Next, create and test your prompts in Google AI Studio. Make the system instructions clear and specific, and define the expected output format. Test the prompts with normal, difficult, incomplete, and unexpected inputs before integrating them into your application. Once the AI behavior is reliable, connect your application to the Gemini API using the appropriate SDK or API method. Keep your API credentials secure. For production applications, avoid exposing secret API keys in public front-end code. Use a secure backend or appropriate secret management system instead. Next, add proper error handling. Your application should handle authentication errors, invalid requests, rate limits, unavailable models, network failures, and temporary service problems without crashing. If your app uses structured output, validate the return data before passing it to other parts of your system. If you use function calling or external tools, validate every important parameter before executing an action. Security should also be a major part of your production setup. Protect user data, limit permissions, validate uploaded files, and avoid giving the AI unnecessary access to sensitive systems. Next, test your application under realistic conditions. Try different users, large inputs, unexpected requests, repeated requests, and temporary API failures. Monitor response quality, latency, errors, and API usage so you can identify problems after deployment. You should also keep your prompts, model configuration, and application dependencies organized so they can be updated safely when the Gemini API changes.